Today we are going to give you some interesting facts in this video. Before that, please subscribe our channel in order to get notifications of new video in future. The hot water freezes faster than cold water is commonly known as the Mpemba effect. It suggests that under certain conditions, hot water can freeze more quickly than cold water. An observation conducted in which a liquid, typically water, that is initially hot can freeze faster than the other liquid which is cold under similar conditions. There is a debate that Leonardo had first painted the Mona Lisa with eyebrows but later erased them. But there is a similar debate that the Mona Lisa had eyebrows and later got erased due to years. It is also said that it was the fashion of that time for women to shave their eyebrows and every facial hair. Some also show this as a shred of evidence to declare that the Mona Lisa is an unfinished piece of art by Da Vinci. The other debate is that when Da Vinci had painted Mona Lisa, he indeed painted her eyebrows, but over time these eyebrows were eroded due to cleaning over time to the point where it's no longer visible today. We have to break it to you that tongue is not the strongest muscle in the body. The tongue itself is a muscle and it contains at least 8 different muscles which are intertwined by creating a very flexible matrix. The strongest muscle in the body is masseter, which is responsible for lifting up the jaw. The tongue, however, is an incredibly flexible and dexterous muscle that plays a vital role in various functions, including speech, swallowing, and tasting food. It consists of a complex arrangement of muscles that work together to facilitate these actions. The tongue is composed of intrinsic muscles, responsible for its shape and movement within the mouth, and extrinsic muscles, which allow for its protrusion and retraction. Camels have different ways to adapt to their environment. They have a third clear eyelid that helps in protecting their eyes from blowing sand. Also, 2 rows of long lashes protect their eyes. Third eyelid, nictitating membrane. The third eyelid, also known as the nictitating membrane or haw, is a thin, translucent membrane located in the inner corner of the eye. It moves horizontally across the eye's surface to protect it from blowing sand, dust, and intense sunlight. The nictitating membrane also moistens and cleanses the eye, acting as a natural windshield wiper. Each king in a deck of playing cards represents a great king from history. King of Hearts. The King of Hearts is often associated with Charlemagne, a medieval king and emperor of the Frankish Empire. King of Diamonds. The King of Diamonds is often associated with Julius Caesar, the Roman military and political leader. King of Clubs. The King of Clubs is often associated with Alexander the Great, the ancient Greek king who conquered a vast empire. King of Spades. The King of Spades is often associated with King David, the biblical king of Israel. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongues out of their mouths like many other animals can. The structure of a crocodile's tongue is different from that of other animals. Instead of being free and flexible, the crocodile's tongue is attached to the bottom of its mouth by a membrane, which restricts its movement. The limited mobility of the crocodile's tongue is believed to be an adaptation to its predatory lifestyle. Crocodiles primarily use their tongues for basic functions such as moving food to the back of their throats while swallowing. Their hunting strategy relies more on the powerful jaws and teeth rather than the manipulation of prey with their tongues. It's worth noting that while crocodiles cannot protrude their tongues outward, they can retract and move their tongues within their mouths to some extent. However, this movement is minimal compared to the wide range of tongue motion seen in other animals. This may sound strange to us humans, but butterflies do rely on their feet to taste food as they have sensors on their feet which helps them locate food for their caterpillars. So, they stand on a leaf to try the taste. The tarsi, or the terminal segments of the butterfly's legs, contain sensory receptors called gustatory receptors. These receptors allow butterflies to detect and taste substances through direct contact with their feet. When a butterfly lands on a surface, it can use its feet to sample the chemicals present, helping it identify potential food sources and mates. By standing on surfaces and using their feet to taste, butterflies can gather crucial information about their environment. It's a fascinating adaptation that helps them navigate and interact with their surroundings in search of essential. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel SSE Knowledge Center to encourage and support us to make interesting videos in future. Do visit our second channel SSE Facts Center. The channel link is given in descriptions box.